Run the intro.
Hey guys, welcome to another Koups to the Front video. This past weekend we went to a run with Disturbing the Peace. Myself and one of the red Koups, we came out for the run. We did most of the run. The run started from McDonald's in one city all the way down to Elgin Market. I however left on the Franschhoek Pass, so I had to get to work. But yeah, what I can say is that the car scene, we came back with a bang. There wasn't really much car meets, whatever, because of level 4, but Disturbing the Peace run was quite a big turnout. Parking lot filled up quite quickly. The Beamer crew came out. We saw some Z's there, Audi R8. Yeah, can I say Mr. Disturbing the Peace came out with his GTR, his Jeep Trackhawk, and his 1-of-1 Liberty Walk M4. The best run I've been on for the year. Saw quite a few YouTubers there, Mac Media, Roadsway South, Nostalgic to say a few. I was happy to represent the Koups to the Front the weekend. But yeah, hopefully we see you guys again soon. Koups to the Front.
Now let's hear what that sounds like inside the cabin. Sounds like dynamite. Shout out to the homie Kyle, man, for doing the intro and shooting all of this content. Enjoy this ride along. Lots of pops and bangs, lots of speed. Don't tell the cops, man. We about to certify this vibe, and it's about to get wet and wild. Ayo, now the homie did shoot all of this in portrait mode, but with some editing magic, we got it to fit your YouTube screen, so enjoy. It's about to get loud. Pops, bangs, burbles, and lots of tunnels. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Dare to be dynamite. headset users beware. Let's check that out from another angle. Stack life. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, and if you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Make sure to like and share with friends and family, and always remember to dare to be different, dare to be dynamic, dare to be dynamite.